socks are really nice.
Thanks, I made it. Make sure you check in the Roomba at some point. Look, stripper in training.
Hey. Hey. Wow, you guys look so fetch.
I know, right? Thanks.
I love your sweater. Hi. Come here. I want you to know, if you need anything, just give me a shot, okay? Or Coke. Boy, that really hits the spot. It's like a cherry bomb. I'm kind of a cool mom. All right.
Stop drinking.
I'm gonna get you pork chops to eat. This is really weird.
If you don't like it, maybe we should be enemies.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
Hey, don't you read?
Not by choice.
Me neither. It's no big deal.
My lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these brothers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely.
My hair looks super. My nose is huge. My hairband's stuck.
I feel like I'd be the prettiest. Who wants apple juice? Is this 0 calories? Oh, honey, no. Was your mother a yam? By the way, the money for that hairdryer sale was hilarious. That's gross. All right, why not pour me some wine? I'm gonna go run and die. You wanna do the shake?
Stop. You're exaggerating.
Okay. I forgot, you're a bitch.
Aw, memories. I got it half off. Let me see. I can improve it. Give me some scissors and a glue gun. We'll see. He's average. Amber Delicia? Yikes.
Yeah, he almost looks giraffish.
Nice one. But like, no.